Hi, I'm Chris Dobbins, the founder of Soffi, a collaborative development environment. You'll see, hey, Braden, where designers and product managers contribute directly on live deployed software. Let me show you a little bit of how it works. Let's start with a pull request. We're all familiar with a PR. You'll see Soffi here has a comment on this pull request with a button that says Edit in Soffi. If I click that, what we're doing is we're deploying a live version of that pull request of your product. You can go in and check out the product fully live, but you can also make edits directly here and comment. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and contribute to this. I'm going to comment here at Braden, is this data right? We can make comments, but also we can record videos. So a lot of times feedback isn't static in a comment, but actually happens at different screen sizes. And maybe there's an error between working through a certain workflow. And so we can record a video right here on the platform, make comments, and then go ahead and send that to a specific person. What we can do is just make live edits right here. We've turned your live product into a canvas where you can just double click and edit the text anywhere, including dragging and dropping elements and resizing. We also have all of your pending changes where you can Command Z options to undo or just remove pending changes. Once you make changes live here, you can make changes through typography and style with your extracted design system, but you can also just ship those changes straight to the PR from here. But if you want to go a little deeper, you can access all of Soffi's tools by clicking the All Tools button. Once you're here in Soffi, you'll see you have a preview of your product. You have your history of all of your changes. You can see what Braden's done, what I've done. You can also edit and code with our code editor, or see all of your design system that we've extracted from your product and edit values additionally here. You can edit a custom value or swap for an existing token. Let's go ahead and make some edits. So how do we do that? Right here, it's pretty simple. You can use this select tool. So you can see here, what we've done is we have your entire design system. So you can change things for semantic colors, right? We can change weight. We can change typefaces that you have in your system, as well as all of the colors that we've extracted from your design system right here. In addition to that, we have all of your components. So you can see up here in your components that we can change things like changing this from padding to large, in addition to all different spacing variables from your design system as well. So let's go ahead and make a change. Like I didn't like that one, so I'm going to Command Z that to go, but I'm feeling like this text maybe is a little bit like not standing out a much. Let's just make that blue. Now I'm editing a component, it's going to let me know. So that's a really nice thing as well. In addition to that, these small edits that you can make with the style editor to obsess over the details, what you can do is you can also ask Soffi to do anything that you'd like. And you'll notice that Ask Soffi here is collaborative. You'll see Braden's actually typing out a prompt. Oh, okay. And you can see what Braden's talking about. He's asking about badges. I can also go ahead and ask specifically like these cards maybe could use a little work. Can we add graphs to these cards to add more visual? Okay, let's see what Soffi does. One of the cool things about what Soffi does is that she has access to not only all your design system, your files, your code, but also to your console errors, your JavaScript overlays, your deployment logs, your coding standards, your design system. And so Soffi's making changes that are really powerful and really aligned with how your product is structured right now. All right. Actually, I like those. Those look pretty good. But let's look at the diff. So you can see here, let's open this up bigger. You can see here exactly what Soffi did. And if we like those changes, which I think we do, we can go ahead and just push these changes straight to the PR. So let's do that. We have a list here of the changes that were made. Thanks, Braden. And now go back to the PR, back where we started. You'll notice here that Soffi also has a summary of the commits that were made. And let's go to the commits. You'll see here all of my changes that come through. So Soffi is a really powerful tool. You can do many things with Soffi. You can make small changes, obsess over the design. You can go ahead and actually prototype literally anything you'd like with Soffi and send that out for review, comments. And you can push changes and contribute to the same PR that engineers are doing or create your own PR. So Soffi is a space that allows everyone to come in and make meaningful changes in production ready code. If you'd like to try Soffi, you can sign up today at soffi.ai.